Yes, you can protect and restore your vehicle from the effects of rust and corrosion in your garage with Dupli-Color's Rust Program. Here's how it works. Step 1. Prep. Every painting project starts with the right prep. Be sure to remove all loose debris from the area and clean the surface you're working with to ensure maximum coverage and adhesion of our rust products. Step 2. Eliminate. To erase existing rust, use fast-acting Dupli-Color Rust Eliminator. For large full-frame applications or coating vertical surfaces, brush or spray on Rust Eliminator gel. Rinse off when rust is removed or leave on until ready to paint to eliminate flash rusting. For smaller projects, submerge rusted pieces in reusable Rust Eliminator liquid and soak until rust is removed. Then simply pour the solution back into its original container to use again. Rust Eliminator is a water-based product that can be used without gloves. Its all-in-one application contains no harsh phosphoric acid and is non-damaging to metal. Step 3. Barrier. Prevent new rust from forming with Dupli-Color Rust Barrier, a high solids coating that seals corrosion and provides a durable, impact-resistant, and flexible rubberized finish. Brush on Rust Barrier over bare or rusted metal surfaces. Available in gallons, quarts, or aerosol cans, Rust Barrier's textured, rubberized finish dries within 1 hour and can be recoated at any time. In flat black, gloss black, or silver, Rust Barrier contains no isocyanates and is safe for garage use. Just follow these steps to remove rust and prevent future corrosion with Dupli-Color. For more information on Dupli-Color's Rust Program or other Dupli-Color products, visit duplicolor.com.